I bought and tested these engine degreasers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been a car enthusiast for years, and I've seen firsthand how a clean engine can improve performance and longevity. In this video, I'm diving deep into my top 5 picks for the best engine degreasers available today. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Zep Cherry Bomb Auto Plus Degreaser and Cleaner. When I first got my hands on the Zep Cherry Bomb Auto Plus Degreaser, I was excited to put it to the test. I had this old engine in my garage that had seen better days, covered in a thick layer of grease and grime. The moment I sprayed the cherry bomb on, I was hit with a bold cherry fragrance that was surprisingly refreshing. It was like a breath of fresh air in my garage. The degreaser quickly broke down the heavy oil and dirt, making it easy to wipe away the mess with a cloth. I loved how versatile this product was. It didn't just work on my engine, but also on other surfaces like stainless steel and rubber. It's safe for various materials, which gave me peace of mind while using it. I even tried it on my grill and was impressed by the results. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, the Zep Cherry Bomb is incredibly effective at breaking down tough grease and grime. The scent is a huge plus. It leaves your workspace smelling great. It's also very easy to use, making it perfect for anyone who wants a quick cleanup. However, on the downside, some may find the cherry scent overpowering if you're sensitive to fragrances. Additionally, it's a bit more expensive than other degreasers on the market, but the quality justifies the price. So why should you buy it? If you're looking for a degreaser that not only works effectively but also smells good while doing it, the Zep Cherry Bomb Auto Plus Degreaser is a solid choice. It's versatile enough for various applications, and its powerful formula ensures you won't be scrubbing for hours. Plus, with the positive customer feedback and over 1,000 units sold in just a month, you know you're getting a trusted product. Product number 2, Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Cleaner Concentrate. Next up is the Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Cleaner Concentrate. When I first opened the bottle, I was captivated by its professional-grade appeal. I decided to tackle my garage floor, which had accumulated years of grease stains. I diluted the concentrate as per the instructions and applied it generously to the stained areas. The non-corrosive formula worked wonders. I let it sit for a few minutes and then scrubbed it with a stiff brush. To my delight, the stains lifted easily, revealing a clean surface underneath. What I particularly liked about this cleaner is its biodegradable nature. It's great to know that I'm not harming the environment while tackling tough grease. The versatility is another major plus. It can be used on various surfaces including metal, plastic, and even carpets. However, on the flip side, if you're looking for a product that has a pleasant scent, you might be disappointed as it's unscented. Some users might also find it a bit thick, requiring more dilution than expected. So why should you consider this product? If you want a powerful, eco-friendly cleaner that can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, the Simple Green Pro HD is a fantastic investment. Plus, with its professional-grade quality and ability to eliminate tough grease, it's ideal for contractors or anyone who takes their cleaning seriously. Product number 3, Oil Eater Original Cleaner Degreaser. The third product on my list is the Oil Eater Original Cleaner Degreaser. This one came in a generous 5-gallon container, which is perfect for anyone who does a lot of cleaning, especially in commercial or professional settings. When I first used it, I decided to tackle some of the toughest stains on my driveway. I mixed a small amount with water and applied it directly to the stained areas. To my surprise, the lemon scent was refreshing, and it made the entire cleaning experience more pleasant. The oil eater did not disappoint. Its biodegradable formula quickly broke down the grease without leaving any residue behind. I appreciated how it's safe for a variety of surfaces, including concrete and metal, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. However, the downside is that it's on the pricier side, especially if you're not in need of such a large quantity. Additionally, it might require a bit more effort for heavily caked-on grime. Why should you buy Oil Eater? If you're looking for a large quantity of a reliable degreaser that can handle tough jobs with ease, this is the one for you. It's perfect for both home and commercial use, and the biodegradable formula means you can clean with confidence. Product number 4, 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser. Moving on to the 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser, I was particularly excited about this one because it promised heavy-duty degreasing power without damaging surfaces. I had an engine bay that was long overdue for a cleaning, and I decided to put 3D Grand Blast to the test. The first thing I noticed was its fast-acting formula. I sprayed it on, and within moments I could see the grime starting to break down. It was satisfying to watch. The best part, it rinsed off easily with water and there was no residue left behind. I used it on various parts of the engine, including the plastic covers and metal components, and it worked beautifully on all of them without causing any discoloration. However, I did find that it has a low odor, which might not be a strong enough scent for those who prefer a more fragrant cleaning experience. Additionally, it might be a bit more expensive than other options on the market. So why should you choose 3D Grand Blast? If you're a car enthusiast or someone who demands serious cleaning power without the risk of damaging surfaces, this is a fantastic option. It's made by car guys for car guys, and the results speak for themselves. Product number 5, Zep Industrial Purple Cleaner and Degreaser Concentrate. Last but not least is the Zep Industrial Purple Cleaner and Degreaser Concentrate. I had heard great things about this product, especially its powerful deep cleaning abilities. I decided to tackle some heavy machinery parts that were in dire need of a clean. The concentrated formula is potent, and you can really feel the strength as you mix it with water. I applied it directly to the greasy surfaces and let it sit for a few minutes. The low foaming formula was a game changer. It rinsed off easily, revealing clean surfaces underneath. One of the highlights was how effective it was on tough oil stains. I even used it on my garage floor and it worked wonders, eliminating years of accumulated grime. However, the powerful solvents could be a downside for some, as it requires careful handling. Also, the fresh scent may not be for everyone, especially if you're used to unscented products. Why should you consider the Zep Industrial Purple? If you need a heavy-duty cleaner that can tackle tough grease and grime, this is a solid investment. It's versatile and effective, making it ideal for both home and industrial use. In conclusion, choosing the right engine degreaser can make all the difference when it comes to maintaining your vehicle or workspace. Each of the products I reviewed today offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. From the scent and versatility of Zep Cherry Bomb to the heavy-duty power of Zep Industrial Purple, there's something for everyone. I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. Remember, a clean engine isn't just for aesthetics. It can enhance performance and extend the life of your vehicle. Happy cleaning!